How to share Instagram story with only one person. Hey guys, in this video I will share with you that how exactly you can share your Instagram story with only one person. So first of all, you need to click on your Instagram app, and from here all you need is just click on this plus button at the very bottom end, and just click on this and now go to the story section. And once you are in the story section, you can choose the picture or the video that you want in your Instagram story. Let's say I want to go with this one, and
Hello everyone,
now
in this video I will
you
share
need to click
with you
long
that how we
press
can
on
share
the closed friend from here, and from here you need to choose the person where for which you want to share the story with. So let's say I want to share the story with this person or this page. After clicking this, just click on done, and the story will be shared with this person.